I think what is quite interesting, we have an entrance of new investors in France, particularly coming from the Far East. I think there are a lot of people from Saudi Arabia, which we haven't seen for, let's say, 10 years in France, who are now coming in with a lot of money in their pockets, who would like to reinvest their money in France. And very recently we had one big investment into mainly bureau here in the eighth arrondissement for 1.2 billion euros. You heard correctly, 1.2 billion euros, which was one of the major transactions in the first quarter of this year. And there's a lot of more money to come from this region because they have discovered that Paris, London are the places where they can place one of the big portfolios they have and the money they have actually at their disposal. Behind that, we see also a number of very particular investors, like the Angolan investment funds, who is also looking around here in France. Very recently did a transaction here, would like to spend more money in France and in London. We see the South Koreans coming over, having already done their tour in Paris, also pan-European, not yet really came in, except from one of the major pension funds who did that through an asset manager in a kind of a joint venture mood. So that was something which is quite interesting, and all that has ramifications on the financing. You see simply that there's a lot of liquidity in the market, which does not ask for finance, and in so far I think it's pretty interesting for us to see that there is people looking for big assets to place 100 million plus in the marketplace, and that's something which was quite new for us in the first quarter of the year.